Hello, I'm Mary Ellen. Welcome to my channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow, where we embrace the mess, laugh at the mishaps and celebrate the progress. Whether I'm cooking up a recipe, burning my fingers on the hot glue gun while crafting, digging in the garden or heading out on a family adventure, it's all about learning, growing and giving ourselves permission to not be perfect. Mistakes happen, and that's okay because in life's messes we learn and grow. Around here we focus on enjoying the process and making messy memories. So if you're into real-life creativity with a side of chaos, you're in the right place. Today we're making a cozy, hearty classic, minestrone soup, in the Instant Pot. This one-pot wonder is packed with veggies, beans, pasta and savory Italian flavor. It's quick, easy and perfect for busy nights or lazy weekends. You can find this recipe and so many more delicious soup ideas in my cookbook, so be sure to check it out if you haven't already. Now let's make some soup. Gather these ingredients: 1 medium onion, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 zucchini, 2 celery ribs, 2 carrots, 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1 15-ounce can of white beans, 2 cups of spinach, half a cup of elbow macaroni noodles, 2 teaspoons Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper. Preparation: clean and chop your squash, carrots, celery and onions. Set your Instant Pot to saute. Water saute your garlic and onions for about 2 minutes. Turn off saute mode. Add your broth. Deglaze your pot. Add in all of your remaining ingredients except for the spinach. Seal your lid and pressure cook for 5 minutes. Once finished cooking, quick release your pressure. Stir in your spinach and let sit for about 5 minutes. Salt and pepper to taste. And that's it. Your delicious, comforting Instant Pot minestrone soup is ready to enjoy. It's warm, filling, and full of wholesome ingredients your whole family will love. Don't forget, this recipe is straight from my cookbook. So if you loved it, be sure to grab a copy for more simple, flavorful soups like this one. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow. So get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.